Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. This is your girl Yvonne. Today's look is this. I wanted to do more of a colorful look. So I have like pinks and purple with a hint of blue. I love blue under the eyes. I don't know why. But that's today's look. Please don't forget to like, share, and definitely subscribe. And then please make sure you hit the notification bell so you'll be able to get a notification every time I post a video. Again, thank you all for tuning in. And if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, you know what to do. Just joking. Actually, if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, please stay tuned. And let's get started. Okay, so we are starting off today with just wiping my face with makeup wipes, and then I'm just gonna go in with my toner, just a regular toner that I use by Olay. And then I'm also gonna go in with a brightener serum. This is all the information for the product I use will be in the description box below. And then I'm gonna go in with a dark spot corrector cream, just to make sure my face is all moisturized. And then I'm gonna go in with my first primer, which is gonna help minimize my pores. And then I'm gonna go in with another primer, which is to basically mattify my face. And then I'm gonna start in with my eyebrows, and the eyebrow pencil that I'm using today is the one that I use every time, which is the one by Morphe. So this is really nice, and I love it because it's cheap. It's like $4, so you can't beat that, and it's really, really good. The shade that I'm using is in Mocha. Again, the stuff will be in the description box below. So I'm just filling in my eyebrows first, like I always do, just outlining it, and then I'm just gonna go in little strokes to just fill it in. And then after that, I just shade it all in. And then I'm gonna go in right now with my concealer, just to clean up my eyebrow. And the one that I'm using is by Essence Beauty. This is really cheap too, and it smells very good. So sometimes drugstore products are actually pretty good. Yeah. So today I'm using a new palette today. The palette that I'm using is Jeffree Star palette with Morphe. And I'm just using my first transition color, which is a burnt orange, just to apply that all over my crease. Just like that, both of my creases. Again, this is so that it will be easy to blend all the eyeshadows. And then I'm gonna go in with a more purple shade for the outer corner. And I'm still using the same Jeffree Star palette for this. And so I'm just blending that in and making like a V shape in the outer corner. Just like that, and doing that. And then what I'm doing is just dragging it to my crease also. Just like that. Dancing. Alright, and then I'm gonna go in with a more pink shade. Using the same palette, and I'm just gonna use my hands to apply it, and I'm gonna use the brush. I couldn't decide on what I wanted to do, but I love this pink because it's bright and it's very summery. I feel like just making sure that my whole eyelid is covered. Doing the same thing to the other eye. All right, so I wanted more darker around the outer corners, so I went in with another palette. This is by Juvia's Place. It's a more darker purple, and I'm just going to apply that with a smaller brush and apply that in my outer corner just to create a more darker tone. And I'm just dragging that in my inner corner, and I'm gonna go back in with the lighter pink that I started to put on my lid, because after I added all the shades it faded. So I'm just going in and just doing some retouch. All right, so now I'm just cleaning up all the excess eyeshadow that's under my eye, and then I'm gonna go in with a blue eyeshadow pencil just for my under eye, and then I'm also going to go on top of that with a black eyeliner. And then I'm just gonna do my eyeliner and create my wing line, just like that. Perfect. And then I'm gonna go with the mascara that I'm using today. Is the mascara that I use all the time, which is Big Ego by Tarte. I love this. It's pretty and it's really good. And I'm gonna go on my lashes today. I'm using lashes by Lily Lashes, and the style is Miami. I love these lashes. Oh my gosh, it's just so pretty, and it makes a huge difference. These are the flirty lashes. All right, so I'm trying a new foundation now. This is by Il Makiage. You have to take a quiz online, and what you do is you actually pay for shipping, and you get the foundation delivered to you, and then you have 14 days to try it out. And if you like it, then they will charge your card for the full foundation. If you don't, you could just return it and they'll give you your money back. Pretty sweet, right? And they have excellent customer service. So I'm just applying my foundation with a flat brush, applying that all over, dragging it to my neck, and then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender as well, just to make sure that everything is evenly blended and smooth. And then the concealer that I'm using today is by Juvia's Place. This is the same concealer I use all the time. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. So I'm just going to apply that under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and then we're going to do the forehead, and we're going to do Cupid's bow, and then we're going to do the chin. I put a little bit too much concealer, but it's okay. We'll blend it all out. So I start to blend it out with a brush, and then I go back in with my beauty blender to just make sure that everything is smooth. So I'm just gonna blend everything out. I was jamming, man. All right, so I'm just blending everything out. Going back in with my beauty blender to make sure everything is smooth. And then I'm going to go on my first powder. And this is by MAC Studio Fix Powder in M45. Just to make sure I apply this everywhere that I apply the concealer, to start blending it. So I'm just applying this everywhere, just under my eyes, my nose, chin, all of that. And then I'm going to go in with my translucent powder. Sheesh. And the one that I'm using, this is new. Again, the name of it will be in the description box, so check that out. And I also put all the links to where you could find these in the description box too, just to help you guys out. So I'm just applying this everywhere, just to make sure that my face is super matte. And then I'm gonna go in with my contour, and I'm using the Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just gonna snatch that nose, snatch, just like that. And when you're doing your contour, it helps if you suck your lips together like a fish, pretty much. It just gives you the natural contour line so you can apply your stuff, your contour. I used to use cream contours, but I don't do that anymore. I just go with the powder. It works just as great. All right, just making sure that I'm all snatch everywhere. All right, perfect. And I'm gonna go on with another powder, the last and final powder. This is also by MAC. It's the mineralized skin finish. This is deep darkest or dark deepest, one of them, I don't know. It will be in the description. This is just so I could pretty much clean all the white powder out of my face and blend everything. I guess sometimes when you put all of this, your face looks very powdery, but once you put everything and you spray your setting spray, it will all come together. And then I'm going to go on my blush. The blush that I'm using is by Morphe. I don't know what I was doing there. I'm just using the light orange color. Make sure you smile when you're applying your blush because it helps you define where the apples of your cheeks are. And plus, you look better when you smile, so why not? All right, my favorite part, I'm gonna go in with my highlighter. The one that I'm using today is by Naked, and this is just so pretty, okay? It's so pretty. It makes you glow. It makes you glow, especially when you're taking pictures. And also when you go outside and the sun hits your face, you will look like a goddess. Again, dancing again. All right, so I'm just gonna go on with my lip liner. This is just something that I found off of Amazon. It came in like a pack of 15 or 10 for a really cheap price. It's like a burgundy one. So that's what I'm gonna do. And then I'm going to apply my lipstick. I'm using a liquid lipstick today. And then I'm going to go fix my hair and get myself together. Put a nice outfit together. And then I'll be back with the finished look. But the lipstick that I apply is more like a rosy pink lipstick. I love this. So gorgeous. So it is all done. I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final look. All right, so this is the final look.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.